Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka kenhon jong ki sangut ki Nongmihkhmat, bakan thop iki argut ki MP ki MLA, bat ki Menteri Sorkar Punjab. Kilawan banyuk kejat hak dengan nong wa Shillong, hak khat khandai terek ujiliau arjar khat khandai, hak jinga kendo ya Menteri katnat kampo yang ke Sorkar jela, hak arpo terek ujiliau arjar khat khandai, kilapan Jingpynshai Halor kilat, Jingïada ya ki jai Menteri Harijan, ki basong basa hatam motor. Ka Jingpha jong Sorkar Punjab ikni kenhun sya ka jela Meghalaya, ka deh hidin baka sengkeng atiar New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC kala berngam banle da kapting la da ki jai Menteri Harijan ki basong basa hatam motor ki pen ka jing persang jong Sorkar jela ban pen kerja iki na kini kejaka. Ujas bir single ubalong u MP na Punjab hak jing keren bagi la pathai kubor hadin ka jing kendo Menteri katnat kampo yeng u James PK Sangma ulai thu banakaliang u Menteri katnat kampo yeng ulapen paw ka Sorkar kan pet ya barok jing.com jagi beri wasa hatam motor bat kumju ru ban chemi gilat Jingïada da ka penjor ki bor pahara. Kani kun hon ki Nongmihkhmat na Punjab ka bakan thob ki arngot ki MP kata u Ravneet Singh Bittu bat u Jasbir Single bat u MLA u Kuldeep Singh Ved henin kesngi hadin belawan yuk kejat hanong ba Shillong kilale jingok ru ki brio ki basa hatam motor ban sakhi lagi jong khmat ya ka jinglong jingman jong ni kan jaka bat ban yuk sngo lagi jong skor ki jing ki brio ki basa hatam motor ki kendo.
We had a very good meeting with Honorable Home Minister and we are very satisfied by the outcome of that meeting. The Meghalayan government, they are sincere to come out of all this what has happened. They want to restore normalcy and the best thing is they want to come out with a long-lasting solution. And we have all the faith in Meghalayan government, Meghalayan people, Meghalayan press. People are very warm. They gave us all the love and affection, and we reciprocate them. And we have extended an invitation on behalf of our Chief Minister, Captain Amarinder Singh Ji, to visit Punjab and Amritsar for the Home Minister and the CM. So all I want to say is it was nice, all is well, and hope the solutions come out soon. Thank you.
So, what was the thrust area that you stressed on in the meeting?
Well, the only was to come out with a long-lasting solution. This issue comes up again, go into hibernation for a year or two, again comes up. We wanted it should be, settled once for all.
What in your opinion is a long-lasting solution to this?
See, I can't tell you anything right now. The High Power Committee is doing it, and we hope it will be done very soon.
So the bone of contention has been the relocation part of it. How do you see it?
See, first, the Meghalaya High Powered Committee, they are looking into the matter. Whatever the government decide, they will offer to the settlers. We are just facilitators, facilitating in case there is some loss of trust or trust deficit, we want it shouldn't be there.
Right.
So, I think so, they are sincere. And they'll come out with this. So, there was a kind of fear in them. That was
Fear for what? Fear for what?
That they have received some threat from some organization or something. So, we tried to instill confidence in them. And they have full confidence in the Meghalaya government. That one thing is for sure. There is nothing like they are afraid of living in Shillong. But there was some kind of, that the threat that was weighing on them.
Are they under threat now?
Though the Home Minister has made it pretty clear that not only sex, but any community, majority or minority, they are bound to take care of them, and that was the best part of it.
U Menteri Katnat Kampo Yeng ke Sorkar Jela u James PK Sangma hak jinga kran bigilat pathai kubor hadin ke jinga kedo iki Nongmihkhmat na ke Jela Punjab ulai thu bola kulari kini kunhun bak Sorkar Meghalaya kan ai be igilat Jingïada bo pura shi gibri basang pasa athemator bad akaju por ulai thu ru bak jingwan jongki shakni jela kalong ban yo I hi dalagi Jingpynshai haduk anu ke Sorkar jela kalala ban ai Jingïada shwa bakin leitra ya ka kai phot shak Sorkar Punjab ulong ru bak Sorkar hi kana mai la de le ru em ya kinu kunhun gibatmu ban penthot ya ka em lang salang bad wat ya kinu kunhun ki ba berngam ban le ki kam pentriam.
The government of Punjab has raised concerns about the safety and security of the Sikh community that is living in Shillong and in Meghalaya in light of certain threats that were made against their community. So we had a very fruitful discussion with them, and I, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the Home Department in particular, I have given the assurance to the delegation that we are taking every kind of step possible to ensure the safety and security of the Sikh community in Meghalaya, and they have expressed their satisfaction at the assurances given by the government of Meghalaya. The delegations, let's not call it so many, it's only been 2 delegations so far, and the delegations coming here to see the situation is, I think, if you look at it from their point of view, they are concerned about the safety of their brethren, and I think it's we should understand that it is only out of concern that they have come here, and they have come and they have assessed the situation, and they have expressed satisfaction over the fact that the security arrangements and the steps they are taking to ensure that the environment of peace is maintained. They have seen all that and they have gone back satisfied, and we believe that when they go back and they give testimony to the fact that the government of Meghalaya is doing its best to maintain that, and also is taking care of the Sikh community. And for that matter, for us, it's not just about the Sikh community, it's about every community that lives in Meghalaya, be it in the minority or be it in the majority. And when they have seen that and they go back and they give testimony to that, it is going to bring down that feeling of insecurity, we believe. Yes, I have requested the delegation that whatever they have witnessed here and all the assurances that I have given, should be passed across to the people of Punjab and also to the Sikh community all over the world, that the government here is trying its level best, and we to maintain the security of all the residents and the Sikh community in particular. We have a very peaceful situation in the state right now, and anyone trying to intentionally vitiate that environment by coming out with such kind of statements, we will take firm action against them, and the administration has been told to take firm action against them, and this government will not tolerate any kind of such kind of irresponsible statements. So we are doing everything in accordance to that, and the High Powered Committee has its terms of reference, and accordingly they are working towards finding a long-term, one-time solution to this entire problem. And until that report is submitted by the HPC, I would not like to comment on anything about that. In an environment where there is lack of information or misinformation is being spread across, in these kind of situations, people usually tend to feel insecure, and then it results in a lot of rumor mongering and unnecessary and irresponsible statements coming out. I think that with this kind of interactions with their leaders, I believe that now slowly the Sikh community will slowly be assured of the fact that things are, whatever way they're trying to project it, there are always elements who are trying to misproject things. So that will slowly now start coming down. It does not matter who the threat comes from, let it be HNLC, let it be any individual, but for us, we take every situation seriously. It's not about HNLC as an organization, but we take everything seriously. So we are doing in that manner. We want to ensure that nothing untoward comes of it, and we have therefore asked the Home Department to beef up the security and ensure that nothing, no untoward incidents take place. This issue is not an issue which just cropped up last year. The genesis of this problem dates back very, very long time back. When a problem has been going on for such a long time as this problem has been, finding a solution also will take adequate amount of time. And for the HPC to hurry through everything just to find a solution, I think would be wrong, because if we miss out something, I think it would be grave injustice. So whatever it is also being monitored by the High Court, Honorable High Court, and we have to ensure that the HPC conducts this whole proceedings in a manner which will be complete in every sense, so that when the solution is arrived at, when the report is submitted, it is a very, very complete solution, and a solution which will ensure that this will be a one-time and a long-term solution. So therefore, I think we have to bear with the time which is being taken here. If people want a solution which is complete in every sense, then we must ensure that the HPC takes its time to ascertain everything before it comes to submit its report.